Hey guys, welcome to How Much Deal. Discover kitchen innovation with the top 5 Ninja appliances of 2024. From the versatile Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker to the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker, and the space-saving Ninja Double Oven, Ninja continues to redefine cooking convenience with cutting-edge technology. Elevate your culinary experience with these must-have appliances. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find it out. 5. Belgian Waffle Maker Pro Neverstick. Meet the Ninja Belgian Waffle Maker Neverstick, your key to hassle-free waffle bliss. This innovative 1000-watt waffle maker ensures consistently fluffy waffles with a crispy finish, thanks to its unique vertical design and 5-shade settings. The precision pour cup simplifies batter handling, while audible and visual alerts take the guesswork out. Complete with a chef-curated recipe guide, this stylish black/stainless steel appliance promises a delightful 1-inch Belgian waffle experience every time, making it a must-have kitchen companion for easy and delicious mornings. 4. Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and Smoker, a 1,760-watt marvel that effortlessly masters grilling, barbecue smoking, and air frying with 100% authentic woodfire flavors. With woodfire technology and just half cup of pellets, achieve rich taste effortlessly. This weather-resistant grill is perfect year-round, accommodating a crowd from 6 steaks to a 9-pound brisket. The package includes exclusive Ninja Woodfire pellets, a non-stick grill-grade crisper basket pellet scoop, and a quick start guide with 15 recipes. Embrace the flavorful adventure with this innovative and stylish gray Ninja grill. 3. Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer transforms home cooking with a 15-minute, 3-part meal magic, all in one pot. With 10-in-1 versatility and Ninja's rapid cooking system, steam and air fry simultaneously for restaurant-quality meals. Ideal for families of up to 4. The 6-quart pot and Speedi meals function simplify one-pot wonders. Effortlessly switch between air fry and rapid cooker modes with Smart Switch, offering endless culinary options. Enjoy healthier dishes with up to 75% less fat and swift cleanup with dishwasher-safe components. Elevate your cooking with this sea salt gray gem, featuring a non-stick pot, versatile crisper tray, and chef-inspired recipes. It's cooking convenience at its best. 2. 12-in-1 Double Oven with FlexDoor. Meet the Ninja Double Oven, countertop marvel that packs the power of 2 ovens into one sleek black design. The FlexDoor innovation creates versatile cooking options with a top rapid oven for quick snacks and a bottom convection, an air fry oven for larger roasts and air frying up to 6 pounds of wings. Smart Finish technology synchronizes both ovens for simultaneous cooking, while Flavor Seal ensures no flavor crossover. Enjoy 65% faster meal making than traditional ovens with 12 cooking functions, family-sized capacity, and easy cleanup using dishwasher-safe components. Elevate your family dinners effortlessly with this efficient and stylish dual oven. 1. Woodfire Outdoor Oven. Elevate your outdoor cooking with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Oven, a game changer that brings 8-in-1 versatility to your backyard. With a temperature range of 105 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit and Ninja Woodfire technology, you can achieve premium flavors and textures at the touch of a button. This electric outdoor oven lets you cook artisan pizzas in just 3 minutes, roast a 12-pound turkey, or add authentic barbecue flavors with just half cup of pellets. Complete temperature control allows you to explore a wide range of temperatures, while the included premium oven cover ensures year-round protection. With the convenience of foolproof barbecue smoking and high-heat roasting, this gray Ninja outdoor oven, weighing 32.4 pounds, is your ticket to outdoor culinary excellence. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.